Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Mind Catchers channel. Today we're going to be doing a natural nail tutorial, and we're going to be using some dotting tools. And dotting tools are made with like this little ball at the end. All you do is dip it into the polish and tap your nail, and you have like a perfect dot. So I'm going to leave a link for these down below. Very, very easy to use, and I'm going to show you. And I'm also going to be using pretty much all the shades from the Essie collection because I decided to do what they call a naked Dotticure. So that's what we're going to be doing. So as a base coat, I'm going to be using the Sally Hansen Mega Strength Hardener, and that's going on all my nails. So I want the biggest dots with this shade, and it's called In Full Swing. That's what it looks like. I'm just gonna put a little bit of it here. And I'm using my biggest dotting tool. And I'm gonna pick it up, and I'm gonna start with my thumb. And you see it just makes perfect dots. I'm just gonna kind of keep the dots close to the tip of my nail. So let's start adding some more colors. I have a white towel down here, so I just kind of clean it off as I go. All right, we're gonna go a little smaller with the dots on the second shade. This is called Souls on Fire. All right, we're moving on to Take the Lead. Moving on to Strike a Pose. That's this gorgeous pink. Okay. And we only have one shade left, and that's a pretty purple. And I think I'm going to use the same dotting tool and just put that purple on. Try to go in spots where you didn't apply the pink because it's still kind of wet. And if you have a nail dryer, go ahead and put your hand into the nail dryer a few times and let that dry before you apply your top coat. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, the last step of our naked Dotticure is our top coat. This is my favorite. This is Sech Vite. It dries really fast and really hard. It looks like candy when you're done. It's so glossy. So I am loving it. And I made sure my dots were nice and dry before I apply any top coat because you don't want it to smudge. All your hard work will be gone. And that's all it is to a Dotticure. That's it. You could do it at the tip of your nails or at the base of your nails. It's so pretty and so easy if you have the right tools. Some people use toothpicks too. But all of your dots, of course, will be the same size. So just keep that in mind. But that is it. I'm going to put my nails under and allow them to dry, but that's what they look like. Beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and put a clear coat on my left hand. That's what that looks like. And I'll be right back with your finished nails. All right, guys. So that is your Dotticure. Very, very cute. Perfect for the little ones as well. I think I've done this on my youngest daughter before. She loved it. Very cute. Naked Dotticure. Looks like little gumballs or something. Very, very cute. And of course, I'm right-handed, so my right hand is not as cute as my left hand, but you know how that goes. But if you tried this, please tag me and let me know that maybe you were inspired by this and you decided to try it for yourself. Also, I'm going to leave everything down below that I used. Also, I want to show you guys this mat that I picked up from Maniology. Let's come out, zoom out a little bit. And this protects my table. So I forget what it's made out of, but if you drop a little nail polish on it and everything, you can use acetone to clean it off, and it does not stain at all. I believe they have this on their website for about $7.99. So I'm going to clean it off right now. So I have some nail polish from earlier on there and some glitter. But Bundle Monster is Maniology. That's what they were called before they became Maniology. And I am a Maniology affiliate, so you can get 10% off of your entire order by using the code TMC10. So I'm going to leave that down below, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.